Okay, traders, Anthony here. Quick question. How are you coping with market volatility at the moment? If you're having a tough time, you're not alone. This is something everybody's been dealing with, and something that I've been spending a lot of time and capital investing in systems to beat market volatility. Pretty happy to say that we've got something very solid going on here. So if really straightforward trade signals, trade ideas are of interest, this video could definitely make a huge difference for you. I don't say that lightly. Let me just show you this, for example. These are the trade signals that I'm sending into this channel here, Trade Ideas, and they're working out really well. Here's the Euro Oz. It's just a straight out Euro Aussie sell. There it is. Just follow that. Same thing with, started off with this one, the CAD Swissy. Buy. Doesn't get any easier than that. Just buy. All right. Aussie Swiss. Buy now or wait for a pullback. Took these trades yesterday. And the other types of signals that you'll get in here are, let me just show you what they are. Yeah, it's this sort of thing. Euro Aussie. Okay, wait for green, or wait for the candles to turn green and then just go on the first red alert. Very simple. So, yeah, these are the ones we took yesterday. Okay, Aussie Swiss was very simple instruction. Buy now or wait for a pullback. Now, if you went with the buy now, there were two opportunities to close. So we've got the buy signal actually fired back here. So you could have gotten in anywhere through here. And you just set another alert for the exit. So this is the exit alert there, and there's another one here. Okay, this one coincided with this previous day high. It's very simple, guys. So when I send a trade idea in, all you do is you come into this indicator and you set an alert to buy. If it's wait for a pullback and go on a bullish signal, just add the alert. Any alert and go bullish. So it's either bullish or bearish. Make a bit of noise with the sound and create once per bar, and then create. When that alert goes off, come straight in. And then once you take this trade, you're going to set your exit signal as well. Okay, so you just come into this indicator, the extreme confluence, same thing. Click the three dots and leave it as it is, but change the sound. I usually have one sound for an entry and another sound, this one for example, for an exit. Create. When these go off, jump on them. Now, I want to show you something that I think is really important. People have approached me telling me they have a $500 account balance and they want to grow it. Let's assume a 10% gain per period here. Yes, you can grow a $500 account and you can see profit, 10%, 50, okay, and then 55. My question to you is, one, why risk your own money when you can invest a small amount, purchase a prop firm account, $100,000 account if you like. Okay, some prop firms will hold 20%, others 10%. Let's just go down the middle. So with a $500 account, your first 10% target, you've gained $50. But in this case, it's $8,500. And that's taking out their 15%, even if it's 20%. That's a significant amount. And these things scale up. It wouldn't be too long before you're trading a $200,000 account. Look at the profit. And that's, at a 20%. You take 80%, they take 20%. Even if you're trading a $25,000 account, all right, that's pretty significant. So you've just earned $2,000, and when it scales up, it obviously changes. You can purchase a prop firm account for $100, $150 and have this opportunity. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Use these here, okay? All right, these are the ideas. Generally going in for the London and into the New York session. Occasionally I'll send a couple in for the Asian session. All you need to do here is watch a couple of videos so you understand the settings and the strategy. Okay, the videos are in this Trade Ideas channel. Just scroll up and you'll see the last two. Just watch the last three videos and you'll be right up to speed with the entire setup, including all the indicator settings, how to do the alerts, everything. Set up the alerts to go off on the Trading View app on your phone, and never miss a beat. This is a game changer, and this has been consistently profitable. And I think this is an incredible income opportunity. So I've got two prop firms, one for international traders, focus funded. So you can find the information here in Discord under Prop Focus. Use my partner link, and they have a 10% discount at the moment. And the other one, this is Prop XP, will generally give you 20% off, but they have a Halloween special going at the moment. 50% off their challenges. Snap this up, guys. This is an incredible opportunity to gain control of a large account for very little and benefit from this trading system that I've set up here. It's as easy as paint by numbers. I mean, look at that. That's where we closed it yesterday. Yeah, so with that, if you've got any questions, reach out. I'm here, and have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.